got a hunger, twisting my stomach into knots that my tongue was tied off. My brain's repeating, if you've got an impulse, let it out, but they never make it past my mouth. This is the sound of settling. Our youth is fleeting, old age is just around the bend, and I can't wait to be gray. I'll sit and wonder of every love that could have been. I thought of something charming to say. This is the sound of settling.